Hi, I'm Matthew Beauregard from the College of Science and Mathematics. And during this quarantine, we have played a lot of games, Addie, we have. And we have a game here called the Yahtzee. It's a classic game. It's a die rolling game. And the goal of Yahtzee is to try to fill up this card. Now, you may not be able to see all the different items in this card, and I'm going to link to this, a picture of this score sheet in the description of this video. But there are 13 different categories that you can try to roll for with this 5 available dice, or 5 available die. You can try to get as many 1s as possible, or 2s, or 3s, 4s, 5, or 6, and that fills up an upper section. And there are bonuses if you get a score over a certain amount. The lower section is more complicated things, such as a full house. What's a full house, Addie?
When you get 3 of one number and then you get 2 of a different number.
And that's big points. Full house, worth 25 points. We also can get a small straight. What's a small straight?
It's when you get like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then
that's a large straight. But small is just 4 of those. Right, you're trying to get 4 numbers in succession. But the game is called Yahtzee. What's Yahtzee?
It's when you get all in the same number.
All in the same numbers. And what do you do when you get a Yahtzee?
You get 50 points.
You get 50 points. That you just say, I get 50 points. You don't go, Yahtzee! Because you got Yahtzee. Now, there's a probability of every single event occurring here. Now, Adeline, we choose that word probability.
A chance of something occurring.
That's what probability is. So, now how do we play this game? You pick up this die. Do I get one roll?
You get
Show me how we roll it.
You roll it.
So we roll it. Okay.
Looks like I got 3 2s.
Wow, 3 2s. So Adeline used one roll and she was able to get 3 2s. She could put in her 2 categories in the upper section, she could put a 6, but she has how many more rolls?
I have 2 more.
2 more rolls. Now we're going to put this to the side. Adeline can put as many many of the dice aside as she wants. She takes 2 and she's going to roll out again. What are you looking for? Ooh!
You got a full house.
Full house. You got 2 of a kind and 3 of a kind there. And do you have to just roll it again?
No, I can choose to stop rolling.
Stop rolling right now. And so you're going to write down, I got a full house of 25. Now, let's suppose, though, you rolled this. What is it really close to?
2.
It's almost close to what's the coolest one roll to get?
Yahtzee.
Oh, Yahtzee, of course. Only if this 3 was a pesky 2. So is there a way that you and I thought to change this game to make it more interesting?
A wild.
Like this wild?
Yeah.
What do I do with this wild?
You roll it, and I got a 5, so I'm able to add 1 to
Right. Let's make it a 4, 5, 6 and subtract 1.
it.
That's what we said.
Subtract.
Yep, 4, 5, 6 is subtract.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, add. So if you roll a 4, 5, or 6, you get to add 1 to any one of these die. Sorry, subtract 1 to any one of these die. If you roll a 1, 2, or 3, you get to add 1. So she rolled a 3, and let's elect to subtract 1, and now you get a Yahtzee because of the wild subtraction and or addition. Okay. Now, the question is, the challenge for you, how does that influence the probabilities of getting certain events to occur? Does that, obviously that's going to make it more likely that I can get a Yahtzee. What is the probability now of getting a Yahtzee or a large straight or a small straight in light of the wild die? So you may do some Googling about how to get the probabilities of each one of these events occurring, but then you'll have to figure out, how do I incorporate this wild die in here? Remember, rolling a 1, 2, or 3 allows me to do what?
Add 1.
Add 1. A rolling a 4, 5, 6?
Subtract 1.
There you go. That's our challenge for you. Report back into Facebook, or you can email me your solution. That's all.